viewers, I hope you all will be fine. I'm new on YouTube. I made my channel approximate 7 days before. My channel name is Bhai Log Free Music. My channel name is Bhai Log Free Music Anywhere. Bhai Log means brothers. We all are brothers, like our own brothers. The basic concept to make this type of channel is to introduce myself on YouTube. First, I meant to facilitate the people who don't know from where they can get music files which are royalty free, mean no copyright. In easy words, you can say nobody can claim or give strike when you use this type of music in your content, like on YouTube videos, movie making, and for vlogging also. So that this is the best platform to use free music without any hazards. I hope you will use my channel for this purpose. In last, I request to all greatest viewers to subscribe my channel and support my new channel. Thanks a lot. Now we go to our channel from where you can see my efforts, my videos. If you like my content, then like my videos and subscribe my channel for getting free music in future. Okay viewers, now we are on our channel. This is Bhai Log Free Music. This is our new channel. You can visit, just click on it. These are my videos. Basically these are MP3 songs. Okay, these are 5 to 6 videos you can download from description. I given the links in the descriptions in all videos. You can visit. If you like, then like and subscribe my channel. In future you can use all the music, free music, royalty free music, and no copyright music for your YouTube videos, vlogging videos, and much more. Just like movie making, any other content you want to make, you can easily, without any hazard, use this type of music in your videos. Thank you.